Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Creating Cynthia. For today's video, we are going to create a Christmas hat. Oh, sorry, no. That was my previous video. For today's video, we are going to create a Santa's helper's hat or an elf hat. If you want to know how to create a Santa's hat, please watch my previous video. So this is my model, very cute, isn't it? Trying to destroy the Christmas tree, and as you can see, he's rocking his hat just on top of his head. It was meant to be a little bit down, however I forgot to add 2 to 3 centimeters allowance to make it fit good. My little model has got a bit of a forehead, but I fixed it with elastic and it looks just as nice. Funny thing is that the model refused to do his job last minute, so I decided to pay him upfront, and that's how we act up. So I couldn't get no good pictures, but once he calmed down, I managed to quickly record this footage with my phone. Whew. So let's get started. For this video, I'm going to use brown paper, but you can use whatever paper you have available. I'm drafting a line measuring 24 centimeters, which is half of his forehead. Forehead measurement 48 centimeters. I'm pretty sure the last time I measured his forehead, it was 48 centimeters, but I'm measuring right now and it's 49.5 centimeters. Did the forehead grow overnight? Well, I don't know, but I hope I measure it wrong. Anyways, if you are doing a hat for yourself or a child, always make it 2 centimeters bigger. Give some allowance for the hair or whatever hairstyle you have going on. The first line is measuring 24 centimeters, then the second line going up is 30 centimeters. If you are an adult, you can manage with 14 centimeters going up. Then I will join the triangle, then add seam allowance of 1 centimeter. I'm not adding seam allowances to one side because we are going to cut it on a fold, meaning that we will fold the fabric then cut it. Now I'm running this line. I'm measuring with tape to make sure that it is still 24 centimeters. And yeah, it is. So now let's add 1 centimeter seam allowance as well. And cut the shape out. And simple as that, first pattern is done. Let's move on to the second one, which is a little bit more complicated. So second part. For this one, let's fold our paper in half, like so. Then I'm measuring a line of 24 centimeters again. In fact, I'm making a rectangle of 24 by 3 centimeters with seam allowance of 1 centimeter. Now, from the third horizontal line, let's add 13 centimeters going up and make a new rectangle on top of the previous one. And divide the line measuring 24 centimeters. Okay, so we are aiming to make a little crown, and I want to achieve 6 crown spikes. Because we are doing on a fold, we will have 3. Oh gosh, I can say 3. I'm wearing some aligners and I cannot say 3. 3. Okay, so yeah, my tongue was touching the aligners. Yeah, so again, we will have 3 full spikes and 2 halves, 1 in each side, like so. So technically speaking, I'm measuring 4 centimeters plus 8 centimeters plus 8 centimeters plus 4 centimeters equal 24. Then I'm finding the half of each of the 8 centimeters so I can create a triangle like so. We are almost there. I'm going to add now 1 centimeters all over, 1 centimeter seam allowance. Let's cut the pattern on a fold. And I will end up with something like this. It looks a little bit confusing, but once you understand the shape, you'll get it. It looks like a crown. And here I'm simulating how it would look like if each side was sewn together, and that's it. Voila! Use this technique to make a hat that will fit anyone. Watch my next video in order to understand the process of sewing. it becomes a little bit tricky, you know. And yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video, and I'm waiting for you on the next one. Bye bye. See ya.